y'all, Jolean Thorton here, and thanks for joining me for my show today, Jolean Does It. Now, I got another cat story for you, and it's a gross one. So, this one day, my little cat Tabby was, well, anyways, I walked into the bedroom, and there's hardwood floors, and my little cat Tabby was like, and I thought she was going to throw up. And I was like, oh, poor baby girl, what's wrong with you? Don't die on me now. The kids love you. You're the kids' cat. I can't take us if you die. And she started hacking and yakking. And then she stopped for a moment, looked up at me, and then just went, "Bleh," and threw up a dead bird carcass, steaming and slimy and partly disintegrated. Ugh. It was so freaking gross. Well, let me tell you, my little kids, Jolean and Tex Jr., come running into the room, looking at the mess and going, oh, what's going on? And I, gingerly started to tell them, oh, poor little Tweety fell into Tabby's tummy where the acid, her stomach acid, started to deteriorate, dissolve the carcass. All of a sudden, they started screaming and crying and running in circles, and I was just like, son of a bitch, wait. I was just joking, kids. Little Tweety is just taking a mud bath. Well, son of a bitch, let me tell you. I ended up having to buy another damn bird that week, another Tweety, and let's just say Tabby became a permanent outdoor pussy, like the owl should. Son of a bitch. Happy holidays, y'all. Jolean Thornton saying bye for now.